Hi, my name is Dennis Jin, UR14CS319, and I'm here to explain the ninth experiment, which is working with Ajax. Our aim is to design a live username availability checking using Ajax and PHP. So let's get started with that. First, we are told to log in with our username and password. So I'll give Dennis, and password is Jin. So we click login, or register rather. So once again, Dennis and Jin. So we have our page is registered successfully, and so next we have to log in to our page. So when we click Dennis and Jin, login, logged successfully. So that shows that we have been authorized to use our accounts, our database. So let's take a look at the code here. We have our login page code. Our head tag consists of a title, which is linked to our CSS page. We have a body where a field set is performed. Our legend is here. A form is filled with the method post. Input, we have a couple of input sections for text and password, followed by a button for submit. And that concludes our HTML tag. In the PHP section of our code, we have if, set, post, submit. This is for our database connectivity. And then we have db host is equal to localhost, db user is equal to root, db password is equal to space. And now we have to open our MySQL connection. So to do that, we have our $connection. $con is equal to mysqli underscore connect, db host, comma, db user, db password, or die a connection failure. To select our database, we have our db name is equal to login db, mysqli underscore select underscore db. We have two attributes, connection and db name, or die db error. We have for our password, we have post pass, and query is equal to select from users. Result is equal to mysqli query con query, while row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array. Result 1, if row username is equal to id and row password is equal to password, I is equal to true, break, else $I is equal to false. If I is equal to false, echo invalid username or password. If $_ I is equal to true, header, location is equal to connectivity.php, mysqli underscore close connection, and that's to close our connection. So moving on to our next phase of our registering, we have another set of code. We give our title followed by our link, which is also set to our CSS page. Inside the body tag, we have division sign in. The field set contains our width, followed by a legend. We give a form with our method post for action registering. We have two inputs for text and password, and a submit for our submitting our values. Here we have already registered. If we provide the same input again. Then we move on to our register for PHP. For database connectivity, we have db host is equal to localhost, db user is equal to root, db password is equal to space, and then for MySQL connection is equal to mysqli .connect, db user, host user, db password, or connection error. We have a password post. Query, we have insert into users, values, id, and password. If mysqli underscore query, connection query, echo, we're told to display registered successful if the given username and password do not match with any previous login attempts. Otherwise, we are told to display an error. At the end, we display as mysqli close connection. Next, we have our check username. Connection is equal to mysqli localhost root login db. If input is equal to SQL is equal to select from user, where username like input, result is equal to MySQL query on SQL, hint if input is equal to there, while a is equal to MySQL fetch array, result hint is equal to hint a where a0, and this would mean that the username does not exist and username already exists. In that fashion. So at the end we close our connection with SQLite, and our last page is to show their successful login. Thank you.